Click on the link below to get price. The Neverland Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor is a game changer for anyone in need of a reliable and efficient tire inflator. Compact yet powerful, this device is designed for those who value convenience and performance. With its high-capacity battery, the inflator can operate without being tethered to a power source, making it ideal for road trips, emergencies, or even home use. One of the standout features of the Neverland compressor is its impressive inflation speed. Capable of inflating a standard tire in just a few minutes, this device significantly reduces the time and effort typically associated with tire maintenance. The built-in pressure gauge is a noteworthy addition, providing accurate readings and allowing users to monitor the pressure with ease. Users will appreciate the automatic shut-off feature, which prevents overinflation by turning off the compressor once the desired pressure is reached. The design is user-friendly, featuring a clear LED display that enhances usability, especially in low-light conditions. Its portability is complemented by a lightweight build, allowing it to easily fit into the trunk of a car or a backpack. The included charging cable is compatible with both car and wall outlets, adding to its versatility. Additionally, the Neverland inflator is equipped with multiple nozzles, enabling it to inflate a variety of items such as basketballs, air mattresses, and even bike tires. This multifunctional capability makes it a valuable tool for those who engage in various outdoor activities. However, some users have noted that the compressor can generate noticeable noise during operation, which might be a consideration for those who prefer quieter devices. Overall, the Neverland Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor combines power, efficiency, and portability in a sleek package, making it an essential tool for anyone looking to ensure their tires are always properly inflated and ready for the road. This product is a reliable investment that offers peace of mind in any driving situation.